So what's up guys, this is my little smile now. Isn't he cute?
Yes.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Okay, so guys, he doesn't know English, so I will say everything in Bangla, so just ignore the Bangla I'm saying. Okay, just listen. My little cousin, okay, call him cousin, words. Okay, bye. Okay, so guys, hope you got the disclaimer. তোমার নাম কি?
আমার নাম ফিয়াদর।
And guys, sorry to pause it again. He will also say things in Bangla. Okay, just ignore the Banglas he's saying. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to do thung 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 sahar. Oh my god, thung 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 sahar called us.
তোর নাম কি? হ্যাঁ,
Thung 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 sahar.
আচ্ছা, তাইলে
Thung 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 sahar. Tata thung 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 sahar.
হ্যালো।
Hello guys, what's up?
কে হয়েছে? হ্যাঁ, কি হয়েছে? এখন আমি বলে, এখন আমি।
Okay guys, bye.